He talking about something. Oh, she tricking on me. She my trick. This is why y'all need to stop learning stuff on TikTok and stuff. And I'm about to take her phone away because what do you mean you my trick? Because you want me McDonald's? Y'all, this man, I get home from work. What time is it, babe? It's 11:47. He got me walking to Kennedy talking about he hungry. Come walk with me. But anyway, we about to go get... Because I'm being compensated for this walk. I want some chicken. Grilled fried chicken.
That's Maltese.
Brown. No, what you getting? Hey, you guys, another day at work. Oh, I gotta get gas. I'm trying to figure out where I'm gonna get gas at. It's 2:59, so I'm leaving early so that I can get to work early. My man already left because he has some things to do, so he's going to get us food, and I'm supposed to be meeting him at work. And yeah, I know you hear it in my voice. I'm a little sick. Don't know who gets sick in the winter. Who gets sick in the summer? Me. I don't know how I got sick. Probably working in that nasty, dirty ass, dusty ass warehouse. So I've been trying to drink tea and all the things, I've been trying to do that, and I don't know, I think I gotta mask up. For some reason, I don't really have any taste. Please tell me I can turn here. If y'all gonna go, bro. Like, what are y'all doing? Now you wanna go when I'm going. Of course. Y'all, I be getting so pissed because people just act stupid though. Like, just dumb. Anyway, I'm just trying to get well. I have no taste. I done bought some Kennedy's after I got off work last night, and I couldn't even taste it. Like, the only thing I could taste was the fact that my tongue was burning because that chicken was so damn hot, and I was hungry because I only had like 2 Jamaican beef patties from the Jamaican spot in Newburgh, and I couldn't really taste anything. So I don't got COVID or nothing like that. Trust me, I had COVID twice, so I know what that feels like. But I just like lost my taste, and it's pissing me off because I can't really enjoy my food. So this is my last day of work. Now, if they got overtime tomorrow, I'm gonna work overtime. Y'all see me in my videos, like, every time y'all see me at work or I'm doing something at work, it's always something different. That's because I already know how to do, like, everything. I know how to do everything. So every day I'm doing something different. Like, I don't really have nothing to talk about. Oh, Raising Kanan. Raising Kanan. Baby, like, I'm hot. Spoiler alert. I understand why Juke did what she did. Like, I'm not going to even cap. I understand why she did. And it's like, I'm mad because Rock is my fave. But Kanan did too much, and Rock, she didn't check him. You know what I'm saying? Like, it got too out of control. And no matter what he did, Rock was not putting that nigga down. And I'm thinking as a mother, like, okay, I get where she's coming from, but bro, you killed Mom. You tried to kill me. You killed both of my brothers. There comes a time when you gotta spare the rod, and you gotta kill that motherfucking psychopath. Like, excuse me. No, bro. So I feel like Juke had enough, and I feel so bad for Juke because she tried so hard not to be like her family. Even her dad, even Marvin, like, his character development was so great once it got towards the end. He did not want his daughter to go out like that. Like, he didn't. And it just sucks because as much as she tried, like, when I think about it, my girl lost everything because of her cousin Kanan. She lost everything. Like, she lost the love of her life, that white girl that was in the front, even though the white girl, she should have never been curious. Like, nobody told her to do that dumb shit, but it was Kanan for it because he wanted to step on the drugs. What else? She lost her singing career because of her family. Like, when they came and locked them up. So that was something else. I'm sure Fame, like, Fame was her boy too. Like, she lost her mama because of shit with her family. Her mom got killed when she went to go see Rock. You know, and what was the last? And then Marvin. That was the final straw for her. And it's like, I get why she took Rock out. I get why she took her out. It was just, like, damn. It's like, I'm mad at Juke, but I can't be too mad. I'm mad at her 60%. I'm mad at her. The other percent is like, I get it. And Rock, like, she like, wait, what Kanan got to do with me? Girl, a lot. And trust me, you went to go grab that gun. That's what even made it worse. Even though Juke already made up her mind. Like, damn. It's like, I don't know. Like, the way they ended that. Now, Raising Kanan is one of the best shows in the Power universe, for real. Like, oh, wait. Ain't I supposed to go get gas somewhere? I just don't know where. But yeah, this truck, alright. This be pissing me off because it's like, why is there so many trucks? I get claustrophobic on this damn bridge, bro. It's sad it ended. Like, they took my boy Lou, they took my boy Marvin, and then they just killed the whole Thomas family. I am aggravated. But somebody had to go, man. They all had to go. Like, I guess every dog has his day. It's kind of messed up when Lou died because, I mean, he tried to change, but every time he tried to leave, son kept pulling him back. Word to Chengi. So, it sucks. It sucks. And I'm going to miss those people in that show. I wish it was Kanan instead of Rock, but then we would have never got some good first Power. You know what I'm saying? So, it is what it is. Anyway, I'm on my way to work. So, I'll see you guys. Shout out to my man. He got me some food. Yeah. That triple decker. Ooh, you look good. Period. To tear this up, and we about to watch Raising Kanan because he ain't finished yet. But what I was telling y'all in the car, he in for a rude awakening because he only got 2 episodes left. So yeah. We keep doing this. I caught a phone nigga hating on my bitch. What? Fuck nigga hating. I didn't like the original. I like the one with Jay-Z. Let me. Mom, I went deaf. New York City. I was the one, never the two. He picked you up. Come pick up your clothes. Hey y'all. I know y'all haven't seen me in a couple of days, but I just been, you know, in my own little world, preparing for the next steps of my life and working a lot. I done showed y'all every little thing that I did at work, every little thing that I do, that I could do, okay? And yeah, so I'm on my way to take my daughter to get to the orthodontist to get her braces tightened, and I'm trying to decide if I want to go into work today for overtime or if I just want to go back home. So I'm dressed for work, and I'm also dressed to go to the grocery store. So it could either go either way. But yeah, I really don't know. I really don't know. So I'm gonna call my manager after I'm done with her because the shift starts at 3. So 3 to 11. p.m. And yeah, so that's what I'm doing right now. It kind of feels weird not recording every day, but it is such a relief, because recording to post every day is diabolical. Like, I can't believe I did that for 30 days straight. Like, girl, wow. So yeah, let's go.
You used to call me love letting I'm all good. My mom's bitches be saying home until it went on Friday night. Yeah, you always Friday night. And the guy we trust like this, that I got so with my bitch up too.
Please explain to me why that nasty ass bug is by the door, bro. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. Absolutely the fuck not. I've been running from them shits forever. And it's right next to the door. It's like, it's following me. My scary ass gonna wait till my daughter go. Hopefully she don't see it. Go.
No, flip the camera back.
Come on. Come on, because you got to log in.
Thank you.
Hey, y'all. So I made it to work. And it is 2:53. I got to clock in at 3:50 by 3:15. So, yeah, my daughter got me some McDonald's. She talking about some. Oh, she tricking on me. She my trick. I'm like, this is why y'all need to stop learning stuff on TikTok and stuff. And I'm about to take her phone away, because what do you mean you my trick? Because you bought me McDonald's? That's a trick? Yo. I'm going to have a conversation with her, because she just be saying anything. That is my child. She be saying anything. But yeah, I'm about to say, I know McDonald's is bad. I don't eat McDonald's. I really don't. But I had to make it to my parents' house to drop her off, and then get here in time for work. So that was the only thing that was around. I ain't have time to think about what I wanted to eat. I just know my stomach was growling. So that's why I got some Mickey D's. And now I'm about to head in. Hey, y'all, we in here like somewhere. Hey y'all, it's your girl. We gotta go laundry. I gotta go figure out what I'm gonna cook tonight. Regular human stuff. I still got this cold that I'm trying to get rid of. It's a little cough. I'm off today, of course. I worked my overtime yesterday. My daughter, she wants Philly cheesesteak, because I made some Philly cheesesteak before for her, and she loved it. Okay, so I don't know where I left off of, but at the laundromat, I said that I wanted to, I don't know why I just didn't watch the video that I just recorded. Anyway, waiting for my man. I think we're gonna go to my parents' house. You remember the boxes and everything that I packed at my old house, at my parents' house. We should be getting that today because that was the plan. And then after I come from the laundromat, because the grocery store is right there, this is what I usually do. I go to the grocery store and I get the food that I'm gonna make for this week. So my daughter wants Philly cheesesteak, so I'm gonna make that. And then I don't know what else. I don't know what the second meal could be. Something quick. Anyway, so I'm just waiting. While I'm at the laundromat, I could figure that out because I'll be here for another hour. But it's like once those clothes is in the washing machine, I'm like, all right. Next is the dryer. No, once them clothes is in the dryer, because the washing machine is quick, the dryer takes a little longer. So let's just see, and I'll hit y'all back. Finally going to get the rest of the stuff. Finally, officially, it's officially moving out day. Hey girl. Ta-da! I told you I did. There's nothing in the closet either. I packed everything. Finally done. We're going to get ice cream, y'all. We going to Ron's. My man is tight because he want to relax, but I said I want ice cream, and he sucks his teeth, and guess where we going? To get some ice cream. Get some ice cream, y'all, because I worked up an appetite. And I haven't had ice cream in a minute, but I feel like it's an ice cream day. It's real hot. So, yeah. So I got vanilla soft serve with strawberry crunch. The strawberry shortcake crunch. It's so good. I'm about to tear this up and then we going home so I can make some Philly cheesesteak. Don't put it right there. Bring some stuff like to your room or something. Here, this is your stuff. This stuff in here. Oh, so put it in your room.
Bro, she's.
Ridiculous. I feel like we just moved in here again. And now that Band-Aid is ripped off, I don't know if I'm still cooking tonight. I got me some personals. I need a drink, all right? Some San Julio, some Casamigos, just a personal. Cause yeah, baby. We about to end this vlog right here so I can start on a new one. So I see you guys I don't know, soon. Couple of days. Bye.